Deep in the heart of Uganda lies one of East Africa's oldest and most mysterious tropical rainforests. Mabira Forest. A forest filled with towering ancient trees, hidden waterfalls, rare birds, playful monkeys, and stories that stretch back hundreds of years. But Mabira Forest is more than just a tourist attraction. It is a lifeline, a source of oxygen, rainfall, medicine, culture, and survival for thousands of people. Today, we explore the secrets, beauty, wildlife, history, and future of Uganda's legendary rainforest. This is the story of Mabira Forest. Mabira Forest is located between Kampala and Jinja along the Kampala-Jinja highway. The forest stretches across several districts, including Buyikwe, Mukono, and Kayunga. It covers more than 300 square kilometers, making it one of Uganda's largest remaining natural forests. For travelers heading to Jinja, Mabira often appears suddenly beside the road like a giant green wall. The temperature cools, the air changes, and the noise of the city disappears. Scientists believe parts of Mabira Forest are thousands of years old. Imagine that. Some trees here were already growing long before modern cities even existed. Long before colonial rule reached East Africa, local communities lived alongside the forest. The forest provided food, herbs, firewood, hunting grounds, and spiritual connection. Many clans considered parts of the forest sacred. Traditional healers entered the forest searching for medical plants believed to cure diseases and protect communities. When the British colonial government arrived in Uganda, they recognized Mabira's importance and declared it protected reserve in the early 20th century. The decision helped save large portions of the forest from destruction. However, the forest has faced threats of decades: logging, charcoal burning, land grabbing, and sugar plantation expansion. In 2007, a major controversy erupted when plans emerged to give away part of the forest for sugarcane growing. The proposal triggered massive protests across Uganda. Environmental activists, students, religious leaders, and ordinary citizens united to protect Mabira Forest. For many Ugandans, the forest became a symbol of national heritage and environment protection. Mabira Forest is alive. Every branch, every leaf, every sound tells a story. The forest is a home of hundreds of species of birds, insects, reptiles, and mammals. Bird lovers from around the world visit Mabira to spot rare species. Some of the famous birds found here include the great blue turako, hornbills, kingfishers, and the African grey parrot. But perhaps the most famous residents are the monkeys. Visitors often encounter vervet monkeys, red-tailed monkeys, and bush babies. Then animals move gracefully through the canopy with incredible speed and intelligence. And hidden deeper in the forest are smaller creatures many people never notice. Butterflies with brilliant colors, tiny frogs, rare insects, and nocturnal animals that only appear after sunset. Scientists continue discovering new information about the forest ecosystem, and today that shows just how rich and mysterious Mabira truly is. One of the most breaking parts of Mabira Forest is its enormous ancient trees. Some rise more than 50 meters into the sky. Their roots spread across the forest floor like giant snakes. Standing beneath them makes human being feel tiny. These trees play a critical role in the environment. They absorb carbon dioxide, produce oxygen, store water, and help regulate climate patterns. Without forests like Mabira, Uganda would face more extreme heat, reduced rainfall, and greater environmental damage. Many experts call tropical forests the lungs of the earth, and Mabira is one of Uganda's most important lungs. Like any ancient forest around the world, Mabira is surrounded by myths and legends. Some local communities believe spirits live within certain parts of the forest. Others tell stories of mysterious voices heard at night. Traditional ceremonies were once performed in scarred forest areas. Elders passed down stories warning people to respect nature. Whether these stories are literal or symbolic, they reveal something important. People once understood the forest deserved protection and respect. Modern science now confirms that traditional communities believed long ago healthy forests are essential for life. Today, Mabira Forest has become one of Uganda's most exciting ecotourism destinations. Visitors can enjoy nature walks, bird watching, mountain biking, zip lining, camping, forest photography, culture tours. One of the biggest attractions in the Mabira Forest Canopy Super Skyway, the thrilling zipline experience allows visitors to fly above the forest canopy while enjoying spectacular views. Adventure lovers from different countries come to experience the excitement. Meanwhile, nature lovers enjoy the peaceful trails beneath the trees. Many visitors describe Mabira as calming and therapeutic. The sounds of birds, cool breeze, the smell of wet earth, it feels like entertaining another world. Despite its beauty, Mabira Forest remains under pressure. Illegal logging continues in some areas. Population growth increases demand for land and firewood. Climate change creates additional environment stress. Conservationists warn that losing forests like Mabira would be disastrous. Forests protect water sources, prevent soil erosion, support biodiversity, and help fight climate change. Across the world, countries are losing forests at alarming rates. This is why Mabira matters, not just to Uganda, but to the planet. Organizations, local communities, students, and environmental groups continue working to protect the forest through education, tourism, and conservation projects. The future of Mabira depends on whether future generations choose protection over destruction. Thousands of people live around Mabira Forest. Many families depend on the forest directly or indirectly. Some collect medicinal plants, others earn income from tourism. Local guides lead tourists and teach visitors about wildlife and conservation. Craft makers create hundreds of souvenirs. Farmers benefit from rainfall patterns supported by the forest ecosystem. The connection between people and nature is delicate. Protecting the forest also means protecting livelihoods. The balance is one of the greatest environmental challenges of our time. When people think about important rainforests, they often think of the Amazon, but Africa's forests are equally important. Mabira Forest may not be the largest rainforest in the world, but its impact is enormous. Every tree absorbs carbon. Every species contributes biodiversity. Every protected acre helps preserve Earth's future. Forests remind humanity of something modern life often forgets. We are connected to nature. Without healthy ecosystems, human civilization cannot survive. It is not just Uganda's treasure, it is humanity's treasure. Ancient trees, rare wildlife, scarred stories, hidden beauty, and a powerful reminder that nature still holds wonders beyond imagination. Mabira Forest stands today as a symbol of life, resilience, and hope. But its future depends on the choices people make today. Will future generations inherit thriving forests, or only memories of what once existed? That answer is still being written. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and tell us in the comments, have you ever visited Mabira Forest?